Dear students, welcome to Grade 7 second lecture of Maths for Week 4. I hope you all are doing well. After watching this video, you will be able to write the sets by looking at the Venn diagram, and to verify different properties of union, intersection, the complement of set and difference of sets. Today we will solve questions number 2 of exercise 1b. Look at the Venn diagram of part A. The first part of the question is to write down the elements of the sets U, A and B. The second part is to find operations, that is union, intersection, complement, and difference of given sets. The third part is to verify the given condition.
In Venn diagram, members of the set are shown enclosed within an oval, and the universal set is represented by a rectangle outside the sets. So, from the figure, it is clear that elements of set A were 11, 12, 13 and 14, and elements of set B are 11, 16, 19 and 20. Now, elements of universal set will be all elements in rectangle that are 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 19 and 20. Now, coming to the second part of question number 1. To find A union B. Union of set A and set B means all elements of set A and set B. From Venn diagram, it is obvious that all elements of set A and set B are 11, 12, 13, 14, 16, 19, and 20, which is enclosed in curly brackets. The second operation is to find intersection. The intersection of set A and set B means common elements of set A and set B. Again from Venn diagram, only 11 is placed in middle of overlapping of both sets. So A intersection B is only 11. That is enclosed in curly brackets. The third operation is to find the complement of set A. It means all elements of the universal set that are not included in set A. So complement of A will be set consisting of 15, 16, 17, 19 and 20.
Similarly, the complement of set B means all elements of the universal set that are not included in set B. Now, a difference B. It means you will write the elements that are found in set A but not in set B. In simple words, you will exclude elements of set B from set A and write remaining elements of set A. Is it clear? So 11 is element of set B, that is in set A, so we will not write 11 and write remaining elements that are 12, 13, 14. Now, in B difference A, you will write the elements that are found in set B but not in set A. In simple words, you will exclude elements of set B from set A and write remaining elements of set A. Third part of question 1 is to verify union of A and B is not equal to A complement. So take left hand side, that is union of set A and set B, which is 11, 12, 13, 14, 16, 19, 20. Give this name as equation 1. Now, take right hand side, that is the complement of a set A. It means all elements of the universal set that are not included in set A. So these elements are 15, 16, 17, 19, 20. Give this name as equation 2. Now looking at 1 and 2, it is obvious that both are not equal. Hence, given condition is proved. that union of A and B is not equal to A complement. Dear students, this is the end of today's lesson. I hope you will be able to solve the remaining parts easily. Now, let's do the worksheet. Your homework is to solve part B and C.